In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different faceless theme page niches that are performing extremely well on Facebook and on Instagram, getting millions of views, and how easy it is for you to quickly create this type of content with AI. If you are new around here, I am currently growing and monetizing 7 different faceless theme pages of my own on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. I've made over $3 million in the past 4 years online, selling primarily digital and print-on-demand products that were made with AI. So the first niche that we're going to talk about is this moments we dream about, and I'm calling this niche a really just like dreamy landscape, almost ethereal type of scenic niche. It is obviously very AI, which makes it easy to create these types of theme pages because you're not trying to take something that is very realistic and just make it like it's not AI. Like, it's very clear that this is AI, which if you choose this type of niche, it's going to make this whole process much easier rather than trying to create something that is supposed to not look AI, but you're making it with AI. An example of that would be trying to, do cooking and make it very realistic, like it's real food, instead of just going the AI route where people inevitably know that it is AI. So they say it's visual dreams in motion, stories told in light. So if you hover over these, you can see how many likes they got. And if I click over to the actual Reels tab, this is where I can see the views. Now, before anyone hops in and says, yeah, but they have close to 200,000 followers, they have 1,700 posts, the rest of what I'm going to show you have extremely low posts, very low followers, showing that they've just started doing this. This is just one of the bigger ones, and I honestly just wanted to try and recreate one of these, so I wanted to show this one. But as you can see, they are getting 1 million views, 6.5 million views, and then these ones were just posted within the last couple of hours. So they are doing extremely well. The way that they are monetizing this is primarily, it looks like, through YouTube or through custom art, probably creations. And speaking of monetization, being able to get all of these types of views does not matter if you don't have a clear monetization method or multiple ways that you are monetizing these. As I said with mine, I am monetizing them in about 5 different ways through different types of income streams. And actually, this Friday in my workshop community here, we are talking about how to find a Facebook niche that you can monetize in 5 different ways very quickly with AI. This is not a subscription here on School. In fact, I am moving away from subscriptions. So this is a workshop, meaning it is live. You will have the ability to answer questions and also get access to any of the upcoming workshops that I'm planning on hosting every Friday within this group. Again, the link for this will be down in the description. So if we hover over one of these like this, I'm just gonna let it play. I'm not gonna turn on the sound, but it has some just very peaceful type of music going on with this. But as you can see, it is super simple. It is just zooming in on this swing that is hanging from this like cherry blossom tree with all types of lights, and then you have the ocean tide coming in. So this is a relatively easy, yeah, I would say maybe a little bit saturated niche. You would have to come up with very new, unique ideas because there are accounts that are more established like this that are doing really well. And don't worry, at the end, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how you can recreate this type of content. A lot of the other ones are along the same lines, so we'll look at that in just a moment. Now, this next niche is something really fun and something I'm kind of doing on one of my other pages, but they are taking cartoons, movies, games, and then they are recreating them with AI in either a realistic type of format, or they're taking it and making it cartoonish if it was a real person. So one of my favorite ones here is this cat one. It has 240K likes, which is crazy because it's a carousel. And as you can see, this person only has 112 posts, which in the Instagram world is so low. You could probably put that out if you're posting a couple times a day in a few weeks and you'd be at this level. But they have over 58,000 followers and their posts are getting extreme engagement. And for the most part, they actually focus on static images and carousel posts like this. So if you click through this, you will see other screenshots of the movie and how they have created it with AI in a realistic version. So I find this one really fun. If you have been around for a while, you know about my Disney community and that whole type of thing. So that's probably why I like this. But this would be really, really easy to create. And also they're just doing super well. This post has only been up for 4 weeks and is performing really well. I would call this niche cartoon movie types of AI renderings or recreations, because that's all that it is. So you're just taking existing content and then making something new and different with it. The next niche that we're going to talk about is what I would call it's a little similar along the lines of the first one, meaning it's very ethereal and magical and AI looking. However, they usually take an individual and have that be the primary focus. So if we hover over this one, if you click on the play, again, you'll be able to see how much engagement. So 66,000 views on this one. But again, it's just the focus is on this girl with this glowing butterfly dress overlooking a city of lights with lanterns and the moon. That's really it. There's nothing. It's posted 5 days ago and 62,000 views. Again, this is one of those accounts that 74 posts, meaning this could be done in like 2 weeks, literally, if you're just starting out. And there's plenty of other ones that are getting great engagement on here. And again, this one would be super fun. You just have to kind of let your imagination and AI run wild, which AI is really helpful at just coming up with these extraordinary types of scenes and movements, and then creating the prompts for you to actually create it and then animate it. Now, flipping over to Facebook, because again, I am doing this method on all 3. Some of them are not on all 3 platforms. It just depends if the audience is on there or not. But I found this page and I love it because it's Cottagecore, 153,000 followers here. Their posts are mainly static images. So back to the grind, creating space in my day to dilly-dally. So it's a play back to creating space in my day to dilly-dally. Anyway, this is a very popular type of style and art right now, especially in the print-on-demand space. If you come from Etsy, which, speaking of, they are monetizing with print-on-demand, because you can see it here with their Shopify link, and then they sell their particular theme or type of style of clothing, although it, I would say, not well done, but that's it for another video. So I could definitely help them with this as far as getting more sales to that. However, that is how they are trying to monetize. They are very, very good though at their content. These are getting great engagement. They just have funny little quotes and sayings, and then they're just cute cottagecore critters. Most of them static images, though they will pop in reels every now and then just by animating their probably static images that they're creating anyway. So I thought this was a really fun niche. It is just cottagecore and like positivity types of vibes. Oh, it actually says Cottagecore positive vibes. So a motivational type of page, though they have aesthetically styled it with cottagecore. And speaking of, I have a motivational page as well, and I cross-niched with another very popular niche, because if you try to just go into motivational posts, it's going to be very competitive, very saturated, and so you need to be able to niche down a little bit by crossing it with exactly what they did, Cottagecore, which is also equally as popular. And then finally, we have another AI fantasy page. This one has 27,000 followers here on Facebook, and they focus on these more like Japanese and anime types of characters and city locations. It's always just a person walking or viewing a city or a scene, and that is like really it. I guess I would call it more maybe Japanese, because I'm trying to, as I go through all of it, but some of it kind of goes into more like fantasy types of things. but it's definitely themed into more of an Asian culture, as we can see here. But this page gets really, really great engagement and would also be really, really fun to create as well. Now, to quickly create this type of video or image with AI, we need to start out with a reference image. And the easiest way, if you are working in one of these niches, is just to start with what's already performing well and then just make it better. So I'm actually going to take one that is not a video, actually that is a video, and try and see. Most of hers are going to be video, which is hard to grab a screenshot of, unless, I mean, you can just tell AI to take the play out of it, which is what we'll do. So I'm just gonna pause it there, and then we're gonna screenshot this image. Okay, so to quickly create the first image as the static image, because we need that to then create a video if you were going to, I just brought it over to ChatGPT and said, recreate this image without the play button, but completely change the color palette and scene. Try to make it like an underwater ocean city. Now, where did I come up with underwater ocean city? I actually have a free prompt in my free community that will be linked down in the description below on how to get new ideas for existing images like this. You can come up with a million of them with this particular prompt, and then you just plug in an example ocean city with whatever it comes up with into this prompt. It also came with, you know, make her hair blonde, make this image, and then I say always, make this image 10 times better and more unique, because we don't want to just recreate the exact same image and try to replicate it and post it. Nobody's going to follow that. Nobody's going to like it. They've already seen it. It's already been done. We need to create something new along the lines of what is already working. Okay, so after about a minute, this is what we came up with, and it's obviously beautiful. It's super sparkly. Instead of like the whatever was in her dress before, which I think it was like, what was it? Butterflies. We have jellyfish, which is so perfect for this. Every time I start doing this, I just get stuck in a rabbit hole just creating this, and then I forget that there's other parts of this that we have to keep working on in order to make this entire process work and actually make money. So let me hop back over there because I'm getting distracted. And this one, I mean, the moon looks perfect. You can see there's a city. There's obviously all types of sea animals. So now we're just going to have it write us a video prompt. So I use Cdance 2.5, though not in the way where people probably go and normally access it through something like Higgsfield, though if that is where you access it, that's where you would want to go and upload your video prompt. And honestly, the prompt that I usually write is fairly simple. Create a Cdance 2.5 video prompt to animate this image, make the water move, glowing and sparkle effects, glowing, slowing, and zooming and panning. I spelled that wrong. And that's really it. Like, I don't do a lot more with that. And the prompt will look something like that. And now it's time to create it. Now I would probably more than likely post this as a carousel as well, so that you can get double use out of it as the image, though they tend not to perform as well until you have some followers on the account. But no need to like waste it, and make sure you keep these so that you can always upload it and be like, now change it to a dark and moody ocean, and you have these reference points saved, especially if they perform well for you. Now I'm just going to drop it into my bulk video creator. Now I actually created this for myself and for the clients that are in my 21-day Faceless AI challenge, and this is so I can do it in bulk very quickly. And now I just need to upload it, paste that prompt in here. And if I want it to generate audio, I will leave this clicked. And then if I don't want it to, like if I'm going to add the music myself on Instagram, then I would unclick it. I can also do this in bulk and say, make me 10 of them. And I do this because it's much cheaper than going through something like Higgsfield, or I believe it's like Imagine Art, or even through something like Kittl, where you have these video generators that are in there. This is more so going the native route and connecting directly with Cdance. So I'm not paying as much as it costs to go through a third party where they have all of the generators and everything. Also, it just keeps me and my ADHD brain super focused because I don't have a ton of things. Like if you've ever seen the Higgsfield dashboard and you have a million things to click on and like you get distracted super easily, this helps with, I'm just doing 10 video posts, I drop them in there, and then I move on to the next step. Okay, so now it has finished and I've downloaded it. So now we can play it, and it really honestly sounds just like the first Instagram's account type of music without having to like go and find that. So it's kind of going, I should have said go the right way because it's kind of going like behind her. It still works perfectly fine. I wouldn't waste it. But it's very peaceful, very calm. I have these only set to 5 seconds. I can change them to be longer, but most of the time for this type of reel, you don't really want it to be much longer. They will watch it a couple times if it's shorter anyway. So I have them set to 5 seconds, which I found that that's all that it needs to be. So as you can see, that took us just a couple of minutes to create our image and then animate it. Again, just go to wherever you generate your videos, Higgsfield, Imagine Art, Kiddle. If you want to access CDance 2.5, that is what I used here, though just directly through my API access. And if you do want to join us this Friday on the live workshop, we are talking about how to find Facebook faceless niches or Instagram niches or Pinterest niches. That doesn't have to be for Facebook, that you can monetize in 5 different ways with AI. Bring your questions because I know a lot of the current members already are asking questions like, I don't know if I'll be able to monetize specifically in this way with this method for my type of niche. So we're going to be talking through all of that, and I'm super excited for these weekly lives. I love answering questions about this. And remember, in the other group, which is the free community, you'll be able to get that prompt on how to easily come up with a million ideas to change the image so that you're not just like copying it. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.